Welcome, riders! If you're thinking about hitting the trails or exploring new terrains, you've probably come across two popular types of off-road bikes, the dirt bike and the dual sport bike. But what's the difference? Which one should you choose? In this video, we'll break down the key features, pros, and cons of each bike to help you make the best decision for your riding style and needs. Let's dive in. Purpose and design: dirt bike. Dirt bikes are built specifically for off-road riding. They feature lightweight frames, long suspension travel, and knobby tires designed to provide maximum grip on rugged, uneven terrain. These bikes excel in extreme conditions like dirt trails, mud, rocks, and sand. With minimal street-legal components, dirt bikes are typically used for off-road racing, trail riding, and motocross.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Dual sport bike. Dual sport bikes, on the other hand, are designed to do both off-road and on-road riding. They come equipped with street-legal features like headlights, taillights, mirrors, and turn signals, making them road-ready for short commutes or longer highway rides. Dual sport bikes offer a balance between off-road capabilities and on-road comfort, so they are ideal for riders who want versatility. Performance and handling: dirt bike. Dirt bikes are engineered for optimal off-road performance. They have more aggressive suspension setups, better ground clearance, and lighter frames, which allow them to navigate difficult terrain with ease. The handling is precise and responsive, making them perfect for challenging conditions such as jumps, tight trails, and obstacles like rocks and logs. Dual sport bikes feature a more balanced suspension that can handle both rough trails and smoother paved roads. While their performance on off-road terrain is still very capable, it's not as extreme or specialized as dirt bikes. These bikes tend to be a bit heavier due to the extra components for on-road riding, and they provide more stability on highways but may sacrifice some agility in very rough off-road conditions. Comfort and ride. Quality: dirt bike. Dirt bikes prioritize performance and agility over comfort. They have firm suspension systems and taller seat heights to allow better control in rough off-road conditions. However, this can make them less comfortable for longer rides on smooth paved surfaces. They're great for short, adrenaline-pumping rides, but not ideal for lengthy commutes. Dual sport bike. Dual sport bikes strike a better balance between comfort and off-road capability. The suspension is designed to smooth out bumps on both dirt roads and paved highways, and the seats are generally more comfortable for longer rides. These bikes have a slightly lower seat height than dirt bikes, making them easier for a wider range of riders to handle. Weight and maneuverability. Dirt bike. Dirt bikes are lighter and more agile, which is essential when riding through tight trails, navigating obstacles, or doing off-road racing. Their lightweight construction gives them excellent maneuverability, making it easier to change direction quickly in challenging environments. This is one of the key reasons they're favored by competitive off-road riders. Dual sport bike. Dual sport bikes are generally heavier due to their additional road-legal components, such as larger fuel tanks and heavier frames. This added weight can make them slightly less maneuverable on tight trails, but they still perform well in moderate off-road conditions. On the road, however, the extra weight contributes to better stability at higher speeds and on rough pavement. Maintenance and durability. Dirt bike. Dirt bikes are designed for high-performance riding, but this often means they require more frequent maintenance, especially after rigorous off-road use. The engine, suspension, and components endure significant wear and tear, so regular inspections and repairs are necessary to keep them in top condition. However, with proper care, a dirt bike can last many years of heavy off-road riding. Dual sport bike. Dual sport bikes are generally more durable and require less frequent maintenance because they are designed for both off-road and on-road use. Their components are built to withstand a wider range of riding conditions, so they tend to be more versatile and reliable over time. However, if you're riding primarily off-road, they may require some modifications to boost their off-road performance. Versatility. Dirt bike. Dirt bikes are all about specializing in off-road performance. They're not built for daily commuting or long-distance travel on paved roads. If your goal is to ride exclusively on dirt trails, motocross tracks, or for enduro racing, a dirt bike is your best choice. Dual sport bike. Dual sport bikes are incredibly versatile. They offer the best of both worlds by allowing you to tackle off-road terrain and still be able to ride comfortably on highways or city streets. This makes them the ideal choice for riders who want to explore a variety of environments and need a bike that can do it all. So whether you're looking to conquer the toughest trails with a dirt bike or explore a variety of terrains with a dual sport bike, both have their distinct advantages. It all comes down to what kind of riding experience you're after. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep riding and stay adventurous.